This will be a quick one. It's a Samsung remote control for a soundbar, and it's dead. Let's see what's wrong with it. I got a quick one here. I got a remote control that's not putting out a signal. We've confirmed that by checking it out with the infrared, which shows that there's no signal being emitted. So first things first, let's just pop this one apart and see whether I can even get into this one just to begin with. There's a good old spudger to pop the back off of it. This is the spudger that came in my battery replacement kit for my phone. It's going to come in pretty handy for other things, I think. Like opening up remote controls to see what's wrong with them. So there's the remote open. And we're going to inspect and see if there's any broken connections in here, because that's really probably all it's going to be, is a broken connection. And indeed, we see a broken connection right here on the LED. If we get a close-up look at the LED itself, we'll see that it's broken. So this should be a relatively simple fix. I'm just going to scrape away from some solder mask around here and reattach the LED. More than likely what happened is this unit was dropped, and that's why it broke. More than likely. So, simple fix. Scrape some of the solder mask away here and reattach the LED. This side looks okay, it's just this one side that's broken. So let's throw some solder on here, and then we'll test and see whether we get a signal before putting it back together. Oh, wonderful smell coming out of this thing. Something's obviously been spilled on it. Okay, after resoldering the LED, we can verify that it is actually sending out a signal. Therefore, this one is fixed. Okay, this has got to be the easiest fix I've had in a while. Nothing simpler than just repairing a dead LED for a remote control. Remote controls I used to see lots of remotes over the years, and this has got a little weight in here to give it a bit more heft. The guy that brought me this, he put the wrong battery in it. It's supposed to be a CR2032, and he put a 2025 in here. It'll work, it's going to have to require something to hold the battery in place. You can see it even with the infrared cut filter on it. It's going to work. So I got the back cover on, battery cover on. Put a piece of tape on there just to hold the cover on because one of the little tabs is broken. But as you can see, it's working. And that's your nice, simple tech tip for today on this little Samsung remote. This is for a soundbar. Thanks for watching.